let's get started. The first step we're going to do is draw a big curve around like this, and then from that curve go out a bit, and then we're going to come and make a wing by drawing a curve around and then in. Next we're going to make a line that's curved like this, and then we're going to make a curved line that looks like a U, and you can connect any lines that you missed. Next we're going to make the face of the bird, so we're going to start by making a line around and then go all the way down like this. From this corner we're going to come down and up and down for the beak. Now this side we're going to make it curved and join the beak. I'm going to close up any lines that I didn't. There we go. Next we're going to make the body of the bird. So start kind of here where the beak is, and then make it join all the way down and in. Next we're going to make a curve again, and now we're going to make a line down, and then here's where our little feet go. So make a curve, and then it kind of looks like an X. So X marks the spot for his toes. And then we're going to make those toes a little rounded by drawing a line that connects and goes around. There we go. And then I'm going to just color in the feet. So it just looks like a big rounded line. There we go. Now the same thing for the other side. Draw a line down and then draw an X that's curved. And then you can color it in as you're drawing the line, or you can draw the line and then color it in. It's up to you. There we go. There's my feet. Now I'm going to make a little tail come out by making a line out, and then from here making a line out again, and then curve back into that first line that I made. Next we're going to make the face. It's going to have a big round eye right in the middle. There we go. And as I'm drawing, I'm going to make a circle pattern around that eye. That's going to be white. So I'll show you after I color it in. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you enjoyed this drawing. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for new drawings, and I will see you next time. Bye.